Bull makes his return. All right, Mike, where is Bitcoin going? Tell us.
Yeah, Stuart, I've been saying this since it broke through its previous cycle high. The historical trend for Bitcoin is to triple that previous cycle high. And so you go from 65 to 70,000, get you up close to 200,000 a coin for this cycle, especially coinciding with the halving, which is where Bitcoin miners get half the reward they were before the halving cycle. But, having Donald Trump as president is a game changer because he wants to bring a clear regulatory framework, freedom, and potentially no taxes on gains of Bitcoin because people are going to try to use it to purchase things. So a total and complete game changer for the backdrop of cryptocurrency, and to go, and even if Trump is able to successfully cut the size of government, cut the budget with Elon Musk, we are still $36 trillion in debt. There has been a massive amount of money created since 2020, devaluing our currency. So Bitcoin, its best days are definitely in front of us, not behind us.
How about Palantir? You've been talking about this for some time as the best investment you can possibly remember. Is it still your favorite pick stock of all time?
Yeah, absolutely, Stuart. I wasn't really in the investing world when Microsoft was taking over the world. I was only about 7 or 8 years old. So now Palantir is in a similar position that Microsoft was in the late 80s, early 90s, because we live in a data economy and a data world, especially from a corporate standpoint. So again, to think about it, if you think of all the data ever created and collected from the beginning of the history of time until the end of the year 2003, we now create and collect that much data every 2 days. And when you look at a company, a large multinational company, to be able to access the information from all the different departments with all the different systems and technologies and security protocols, it's an impossibility for any company other than Palantir. And so the age of AI is taking that data, synthesizing it, and turning it into actionable, whether automated tasks or dashboards for management. Palantir is the only company that can sit on top of any software, pull any data management needs, and repurpose it the way that it needs to be done or automate it. And not only are they seeing this in the enterprise sector, this is historically a government contractor. They just signed $1 billion deal with the Navy. It's a huge deal for a company that only does around $3 billion in revenue.
Clearly, you like it. Got it. Mike Lee, thanks for joining us. I know we'll see you again. Thanks a lot. Lauren's looking at some of the movers.